Hello everyone, I am Prajwal from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from Department of ISC. Today we are going to learn about presentation control in user interface design. Introduction of presentation control. This introduction explores the significance, principle and impact of presentation control in user interface design, a crucial aspect of software development that influences the visual and interactive aspects of user interface. UID, a blend of aesthetic and functionality, focuses on presentation control, guiding the visual narrative and interactive element that define user experience. Presentation control is a set of mechanisms and tools used to manage and govern the visual aspects of user interaction, including layout, design, and overall user experience. It ensures the interface is aesthetically pleasing, functionally intuitive, and responsive to user interaction. Here are some key features: layout management, styling, and responsive design. Layout management involves dynamic layouts that adjust user interface elements based on screen size, resolution, and preferences. The guide system that organize and align components for visual appealing presentation. Style and theming. Custom style allows user to customize the interface visuals appearances with color scheme, font, and iconic style. While theming support various themes to cater to diverse user experience preference and accessibility needs. Responsive design. Adaptive UI ensures the seamlessly and consistent user experience across various devices and screen sizes, ensuring seamless and user-friendly experience across different platforms. Animation and transition, dynamic content presentation, accessibility. Animation and transition. Smooth transition and feedback animation enhance user experience by guiding interface changes, while animation provide feedback on user interaction like successful form submission or error notification. Dynamic content presentation. Conditionally rendering and data-driven UI are two methods used in dynamical update and display UI element based on their user input and system condition. Accessibility. The user interface is designed to be accessible to individuals with disability by ensuring compatibility with screen readers and assistive technologies and allowing user to adjust contrast, font size and parameters. Internalization and localization. Multilingual support allows content to present and in multiple languages, while date and time formatting adapts to user preferences. User interaction control. Input validation ensures data integrity and prevent errors, while form controls includes text fields, drop-down text, checkboxes, and radio buttons facilitate user interaction. Cross-browser compatibility. The goal is to ensure the user interface is consistently displayed across various browser and platforms. Here are some advantages of presentation control. Consistent user experience, enhanced usability, adaptive to devices. Presentation control ensures a uniform and consistent look and feels across the entire user interfaces. The consistency helps users to navigate the system more efficiently as they become familiar with the layout and design. Enhanced usability. By having control over the presentation layer, designers and developers can optimize the user interface for improved usability. This includes arranging elements logically, using clear labels, and creating an intuitive flow that enhances the overall experience. Adaptive to devices. Presentation control allows for responsive design, enabling the user interface to adapt seamlessly to various devices and screen sizes. This is crucial in today's multi-device landscape, ensuring the position experience whether users are accessing the application on desktop, tablets, or smartphones. Branding and aesthetics, improved accessibilities and efficiency maintenance. Branding and aesthetics. Presentation and Presentation control enables the incorporation of branding elements and aesthetic choices that align with organization identity. This helps in creating a visual appealing interfaces that reflect the brand's personalities and values. Improved accessibility. With control over a presentation layer, developers can implement accessibility features more effectively. This includes providing alternative text for images, ensuring proper color contrast, and incorporating other design elements that can make the interface accessible to users with disabilities. Effective maintenance, efficiency maintenance, separating presentation concerns from the underlying logical allows for easier maintenance. Updates or changes to the user interface can be implemented without affecting the functionality of application, making it more scalable and sustainable to long run. Here are some key challenges we face in presentation control. Adaptability across devices, dynamic control, content handling, customization versus standardization, accessibility and inclusivity. Diverse screens and resolution. Designing a presentation control system that can seamlessly adapt to various screen size and resolution is very challenging. Ensuring content remains clear and visual appealing across devices requires responsive design strategies. Dynamic content handling. That are called as real-time updates. Managing dynamic content that frequently updates in real time poses a challenge. Presentation control system must effectively handle data changes without without disrupting the user experience, ensuring the updates are smooth and timely. Customization and standardization. Balancing customization. Striking the balance between providing users with customization option and maintaining a standardization interface is challenging. Customization can enhance user satisfaction but excessive flexibility may lead to inconsistency and confusion. Accessibility and inclusivity. Ensuring accessibility, creating a interface that are accessible to user with diverse abilities in crucial challenges. Presentation control must support features like screen readers, keyboard navigation, and other accessibility tools to ensure inclusivity. Cross-platform compatibility, data visualization challenge, internationalization and localization, performance optimization, consistency across platformization. Achieve a consistent user experience across different platforms such as web, mobile, and desktop is complex task. Presentation control system needs to be designed to account for platform specific while maintaining a unified design languages. Data visualization challenge, effective data representation. Presenting complex data in comprehensible manner is challenge. The presentation control system must incorporate effective data visualization technique to convey information clearly without overwhelming the user. Culture sensitivity. Adapting user interface to diverse culture and language requires careful consideration. Presentation control should support internalization and localization to ensure that the interface is culturally sensitive and language appropriate. Performance optimization, resolution, resource efficiency. Ensuring optimal performance, especially in resource intensive application, is challenging. Presentation control must be optimized to minimize latency and response time, providing a smoother user experience even in demanding scenarios. Coming to last conclusion. The presentation emphasized the importance of user interface design, and presentation control is creating seamlessly intuitive and engaging user experience. Its highlights and needs are for the harmonious blend of aesthetic functionality and user-centered design. Presentation control outsides user interaction, ensuring delightful experience. As UID continues to evolve, emerge technologies like reality, voice interface, and AI-driven interaction will shape user engagement. The presentation encourages designers and developers to remain agile, adaptability, and committed to refine their approach in UID and presentation control. Thank you.